In the digital era, where data breaches and cyber attacks are increasingly common, cybersecurity emerges as a critical defense mechanism for protecting sensitive information and ensuring uninterrupted business operations. At the heart of cybersecurity strategies lies the concept of identity management, a set of processes and policies used to manage user identities and regulate access to resources within a network. Central to this concept are Active Directory, AD, and Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, two Microsoft technologies that play pivotal roles in modern identity and access management. Part 1. Understanding Active Directory, AD. Active Directory, AD, is a directory service developed by Microsoft for Windows domain networks. It is included in most Windows Server operating systems as a set of processes and services. Initially released with Windows 2000 Server Edition, AD has become an essential tool for managing network resources and securing access to information. AD stores information about objects on the network and makes this information easy for administrators and users to find and use. Core components of AD. 1. Domains, trees, and forests. These are logical partitions in AD that help organize network resources. A domain is a collection of objects, such as users, groups, and devices, that share the same AD database. Trees are collections of one or more domains, and forests are collections of one or more trees. 2. Domain controllers, DCs, servers that respond to security authentication requests within a Windows Server domain. A DC hosts a copy of the AD domain database. 3. Global Catalog, a distributed data repository that contains a searchable, partial representation of every object in every domain in a forest. AD functionalities. 1. User and computer account management. AD allows the creation and management of user accounts and computer accounts, enabling administrators to easily control access to network resources. 2. Group Policy Objects, GPOs. These are used to centrally manage and configure operating systems, applications, and user settings in an Active Directory environment. 3. Authentication and authorization. AD uses the Kerberos protocol to provide a secure mechanism for authenticating users and computers in a network. AD management tools. 1. AD users and computers, a Microsoft Management Console, MMC, snap in that is a standard feature of Microsoft Windows Server operating systems. 2. AD Administrative Center, provides a modern management experience for AD-related tasks. 3. PowerShell modules for AD, allows scripting and automation of a wide range of administrative tasks. Part 2. Exploring Azure Active Directory, Azure AD. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service, which helps employees sign in and access resources. Unlike traditional AD, Azure AD is designed for the cloud, supporting web-based services that use REST, Representational State Transfer, APIS. It is a critical component of the Microsoft Cloud ecosystem, including Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and thousands of other SaaS applications. Core components of Azure AD. 1. Tenants, a dedicated and secure instance of Azure AD that an organization receives and owns when it signs up for a Microsoft Cloud service such as Microsoft 365 or Azure. 2. Users and groups. Azure AD allows the creation and management of user identities and groups for simplified access management and provisioning. Azure AD functionalities. 1. Single sign-on, SSO, enables users to memorize only one ID and password to access multiple applications. 2. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds a critical second layer of security to user sign-ins and transactions. 3. Device management, integrates with Microsoft Intune to manage mobile devices and applications. Transitioning from AD to Azure AD. Organizations can synchronize their on-premises AD with Azure AD using Azure AD Connect, creating a hybrid environment that leverages the benefits of both on-premises and cloud solutions. This setup provides a pathway for businesses to gradually move their identity management capabilities to the cloud, capitalizing on Azure AD's robust, scalable, and accessible from anywhere architecture. Conclusion. Active Directory and Azure Active Directory are foundational elements of modern identity management and cybersecurity strategies. By understanding and leveraging these tools, organizations can enhance their security posture, improve operational efficiency, and facilitate seamless access to resources across a wide range of environments. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the role of AD and Azure AD in securing digital identities and resources will only grow in importance.